Welcome back to my channel. So, if you watched my previous video, you will know that I'm going to Singapore. Right now, we're here at the airport. So, I'm going to show you around Singapore and little glimpses of the airport. So, we'll reach Singapore at 4 a.m. in Indian time and 6:10 a.m. I think around that time in Singapore time. Okay, let's see it. Now we have entered the airport. Now we're going to do the check-in. I'm going to try getting the boarding pass. Let's see. I'll ask my dad. We're going to Singapore. I'm so excited. It's the second time I remember going abroad because other two times I was 1 year and I don't remember going abroad. So it is so good, literally. The airport, the international part is so clean, literally. It is so clean. Let's see, this is, wait, look at this. We'll have to go there. And also you might catch a few glimpses of one more family right now. In Hyderabad, we are going with two families. And the third family will come meet us directly in Singapore. Because they'll be coming from Bengaluru, I think. Yeah. Look at my bag. This is for my headrest. Now we're just waiting for the other family. And this is the new thing for domestic flights, like the automatic check-in you can do by yourself. So now the other family is here. Singapore, here we go! 3 cheers for Singapore! This is the check-in area. So there is the security check. We'll go there after, but first we have 2 bags, 2 trolleys we're gonna put for check-in. For a long time we got it here. We have entered here. Now we can do our check-in. For the security check, this is the one behind me. So we are finding a way in, and the other people are behind us. No, they're not coming yet. So now security check. It's written international security check, so it's that side. So we'll just head there. Let's see. This is my sister. So now this is I think it's called immigration. No, wait, I don't know what it's called. But let's see. Yeah, it's called immigration. Now, it is so long space. I would love to literally skate here, bro. That would be so fun.
And it's so empty also.
Yeah. So empty. They got such a big space. And utilizing it must be so hard. I'm not even lying. I'm going to go to the lounge to eat something. I'm very hungry. With both families, but let's see. Look at this, the necklace. Do you know what this is? And this. I'm exactly this at Fortnite and Minecraft. Kidding, I don't play Minecraft. I don't play Minecraft, I play Fortnite. I'm exactly this at Fortnite and Minecraft. Psych, I don't play Minecraft. Now, you see my necklace? You see this? Write down in the comment section below what this is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm exactly this at Fortnite. And if you didn't know the answer, it's a hacker. Haha. Rate my fit out of 10. Actually, no cap. Almost 1 hour. We are finally going to the lounge. Oh my god, that was the longest wait. Yes. They're small souvenirs. And you can get these travel pillows, fridge magnets. More of the travel pillows. Pringles, my favorite. This is an entire shop of sort of goodies things. Look at this. Shopper stop. Like there's two stores of Shoppers Stop that are connected through the back. And then there's Eat at Hyderabad. Have you heard of that? I have not. Patanjali, some cafe, something. Cafe Espresso. It is so cool. Exact opposite way of the lounge. The lounge line. Now that's the line. Very big line. Wait in another line. And for the countdown, I think it's 5 times waiting in a line. Yeah. Look at this part. Pillows. This side as well. And there's more travel pillows there. And there. Like, why are there so many travel pillows, bro? It's like somebody will... It's not like everybody does not get travel pillows. Like, I got my own. Not from here. Just in case you're wondering. Look at all these empty chairs. You could sit here, sleep here if you don't want to access it. Just skip this part into a time lapse. It'll be like 10 seconds or 20 seconds for you, but it'll be like 20 minutes for me. I'm going to the lounge. They called our name. Let's go. Finally. It's been so long. Yes. Oh my god. I just missed it. Basketball players, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Arjun especially, if you're watching this. Okay, let's see, we finally entered the lounge. We're entering here. You see, we're entering. Okay, let's go. Lift to the lounge. Entered. Seat. Let's go search. Search it is search. It needs to be like around an 8-seater, which is going to be hard to find. I found a 4-seater, so I don't know. Let's see. We can sit here. We the food, it's so good. I'm going to eat something, I'll show you my plate. Well, that's it. No, that's too much for the rotate axis. And look, automatic remove. All on my coming out. Now we're walking towards the terminal. Let's see. Now we're walking here. Now we have to walk to terminal 26 and this is 24 by the way. We're on 24. 25 and 26 are up ahead. Let's go there. It is so cool. They're full bags. The belts also Tommy Hilfiger. There's travel pillows, bags, like handbag sort of things, goggles. And there's a lot of boring stuff like eat at Hyderabad. I'd rather eat at lounge. You like my joke? Yes? No? Comment down below. This is Karachi Bakery. Did you know Karachi Bakery was there at the airport? I didn't know. Dadu's, Haldirams, all like sweet shops type of things. Now we're at gate 25 and guess what? I'll zoom in. Do you see what the big M? MACD. MACD is there. MACD or KFC? I like KFC. Let's see. We're going to board right there. Let's see. Now we are heading to our board. That is not, I told 26 before. It's 26B, not A. Bro, look at the line. That's like the 50 million time I've been in the line. That's over exaggerating, but then it's.
Passengers seated on row 61, 62, 63 and above kindly proceed for boarding.
You know, I just heard
While boarding the
there are more than 63
boarding
rows.
pass and passport from
Imagine coming. We're here, we're doing this here. And look, an entire school kids. Where you'll see them, pass right there. You see? Look, this is an entire school group. School group. Like literally the entire school. And they're taking a school to Singapore. No, wait. Maybe not to Singapore, like there. There, yeah. Excitement is officially increasing. Oh, we're literally about to enter Singapore Airlines. And by the way, in case you're wondering which city we're landing in, it's Changi. Changi Airport.
I am
Top-
so excited.
Yeah. Top 3 airports in the whole world. Marked for number 1 in the world's most green in 2020, in the year 2020. Bro, that's gonna be crazy.
I can't wait to explore it.
Yeah, and for the first time, there'll be screens in the flight.
That's the most exciting part.
Yeah, there'll be little screens.
We can watch movies, right?
Okay. We're heading down. We're heading down this. Let's go. Whew. It's so fun. It's literally angled downwards. And it's so sloppy. It's actually good. Look at this. There's some MCD and it looks like a roller coaster. Heading slightly upwards. We came from there. No, wait, that's different. We came from up, now we went down and then we are again going up. It's slightly sloped. And that's the plane, guys. That's it. The plane. The big deal. The big deal. We're in. We're literally in. Oh my god. Yes, I think these are our seats. Guys, this is the one. Singapore Airlines. Oh, this is the air. This is the air show you get. I tap to screen to begin. And look here. Wait, let me just check everything. I don't know. Here, that. And then, wait, where do you keep the earphones? Oh, you can keep them inside. Okay. So here you can see this is the volume buttons, the home, the going back button. This is the light. Look. Look, the light turns on. And then it's off. And this is to call the air hostess for help. And I'm watching Despicable Me 3. No, 4. She's also watching that. And both my sisters are watching that. Yeah, okay. Look at this, guys. So this is the screen. By the way, look, this is the screen. And at the bottom here, wait. Yeah, at the bottom here, you can plug in your earphones. Now I'm wearing those earphones. And here, I don't know what this is. I actually don't. And down there, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but down there, that one, this light, that's the charging port. Okay. Now the food has come. The food is here. Let's see. The food. Look, we're here in the airplane, by the way. We're here in the airplane. We're about to reach Singapore. Wait, I'll show you this. Look at this. This is the map of where we are. Right now, this was Hyderabad, and then now we are on Bay of Bengal, by the way. Now we'll be traveling from here to right here, Singapore. Now we got the food. So it contains of a bun. I think what's inside this? I'll see. Yes, thank you. Look at this. We got orange juice, baby. Let's go. Now here I think this is the dessert. There's chaat. There's a water bottle. There's yogurt which I won't eat, and there's some more chaat I think. Spoons and forks, a bun, and let's see what's inside. Oh, so okay, so there is some sabzi, dal and rice. That's very interesting. And look at the orange juice. And now as you can see, this is the flight show I showed you, right? Yeah, this is the flight show. As it's showing here, it'll take more 3 hours. Okay, so I'll keep you posted like when we reach there, and probably that will be the next video. There's a lot of turbulence. Right now there's a lot of turbulence, so then the captain is saying like wear your seatbelt and all of that. There are multiple announcements. They come on this only. Okay, stay tuned. So this is the glass like water. So you can walk on top of it. I'm gonna try. Yes, I'm on top. You can literally see swim.
Like there's one fish right
Fish right there. Yeah, that's what.
there.
Look at this. Look at this fish. It's literally shining.
Yeah.
That's so good. And I'm technically on water. And guess what? Look up. The entire. It's literally so cool. It's much cooler than down. That is so cool. Also, look here. Look here. There's it's a fountain from up there. That is so cool. Also, this is like a floating island structure, bro. Like imagine to go down for the immigration. So their recording again is not allowed. So I'll stop recording there. So there's a lot of empty space again. And look at this design, bro. Like the design there is so cool. Look at all of these designs. That is so cool. We reached the Singapore. Like that's Singapore. Literally, that's Singapore. But it doesn't feel like Singapore. And it's gonna rain, by the way. It's about to rain. Shit.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
मेकअप 100
It's on video on.
पूरा वी शेप में चेहरा आ रहा है।
Walk around.
Oh, it's focused on me, right?
Yeah. That's better than pigeon.
I'm better than Kian. My face is much better. This is Kian with the chicken
The
head.
coolest guy in the whole world. I know.
The most chubby guy. He's holding a chicken head. He's cut it and he's put it.
We are here in the metro. So outside it's raining like heavily. So this is a few fans here. Yes, fans. I know. And no, I'm not going out. And this is the metro.
Doors are closing.
I have many fans on this train. So now we're in the metro. I don't need support because I have good balance. I know. Thank you. Now I don't need balance. You know Subway Surfers? Hoverboard. Done? What? So this is it for the video. Now we three families met here at Changi Airport, and now we will be heading to our hotel. So stay tuned for the day 1 video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.